We designed the AccessESP system to mitigate risk for operators and service providers alike. Installing, retrieving, and operating the system is a simple process that eliminates human errors commonly found in ESP wells. So, the Rigless ESP system is installed with 5 steps. This is a 1/3 model that we'll use to illustrate that. The first step is to install the permanent completion on tubing. This is the male part of the wet connect. Then we'll install the plug arm, gauge, motor, and seals with slick line. This makes a downhole wet connect to power the motor. Slickline operator will then pick up the ESP pumps and run those in on top of the motor. Then a tubing pack off and standing valve are run. Finally, a tubing stop is run in to keep everything in the hole. If you and your team would like to analyze how this proven technology can reduce risk, decrease intervention costs, and maximize the value of your field, give us a call. Go Rigless today to save millions tomorrow.